Rotate by degree. With this tool, we can rotate the object, and also duplicate it, with the specified parameter. Here, we have some objects. Select Object, and right-click on Rotate by Degree button. Set rotation angle 15. Click on Rotate by Degree button. Here, you can see, the object is rotated 15 degrees. Let's see again. Select Object, and right-click on Rotate by Degree button. Set rotation angle 90. Click on Rotate by Degree button. Here, you can see, object is rotate 90 degree. Let's see again. Set rotation angle 45. Here, you can see, object is rotate 45 degree. We can also rotate object with shortcut key. If we want to rotate the object anti-clockwise, then press Alt+0 key. If we want to rotate the object clockwise, then press Alt+9 key. If the clockwise button is turned on in the rotation property, then both the shortcut will work in reverse. We can also duplicate the object with specified parameter. Enter the number of objects you want to duplicate, and turn on the duplicate while rotation button. Here, you can see, objects are duplicated. Let's see how this button works in other ways. Here, we have one semicircle object with an open shape. Select Object, and right-click on Rotate by Degree button. Enter the number of objects to be duplicated here, and set the rotation angle to 0, and turn on the duplicate while rotation button. Then press Rotate by Degree button with Shift key. Here, you can see, objects are duplicated. Now, all these are different objects. Now, if we want to join all objects into a single object, select one object, and press Ctrl+I shortcut key to select similar objects, then press NJN key to weld all objects. Here, you can see, all the objects are joined with each other. Let's see how this button works in other ways. Here, we have two objects. If we want to rotate the object by duplicating it over this circle, open Rotate by Degree parameter, then set rotation angle 0, and set the number of objects to be duplicated in the number, and click on the duplicate while rotation button. We will first select the object to be rotated by duplicating, then select another object. Then press the Rotate by Degree button once with the Control key, and press Normal once. Here, you can see that 8 objects are duplicated, because we have given 8 numbers in a parameter. Let's see again. Here we will do same process. Here, you can see that 11 objects are duplicated, because we have given 11 numbers in a parameter.